Samsung's next foldable phone is on the horizon, but is it bringing anything truly new? With the Galaxy S25 now officially launched, a focus shifts to the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 and its bigger counterpart, the Fold 7. While rumors hint at some design changes for the Fold, early leaks of the Flip 7 suggest that Samsung is sticking to a familiar formula. This raises the question, are these changes enough to make an upgrade worthwhile? Looking at the design leaked specifications show that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is slightly larger than its predecessor. When unfolded, it is expected to measure 166.6 by 75.2 by 6.9 millimeters, making it a bit taller and wider than the Flip Sticks, which had dimensions of 165.1 by 71.9 by 6.9 millimeters. However, the thickness remains unchanged, meaning that even when folded, it will still be close to 15 millimeters thick. For users hoping for a sleeker or more compact foldable, this might come as a bit of a letdown. One of the noticeable improvements is in the display. The inner screen is said to increase from 6.7 inches to 6.8 inches, while the outer display is expected to grow from 3.4 inches to 3.6 inches. While these might not seem like huge jumps, even small improvements can make a difference, especially when it comes to usability. A larger cover screen could make it more convenient for quick tasks, reducing the need to open the phone as often. However, apart from these slight adjustments, the overall design remains nearly the same. Many foldable phone enthusiasts have been hoping for a thinner and lighter device, but Samsung appears to be maintaining its current design approach. For some, this could feel like a missed opportunity, especially as competitors experiment with new foldable innovations. Moving on to the camera setup, leaks suggest that Samsung is keeping things mostly unchanged. The Flip 7 is rumored to have the same 50-megapixel main camera and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera found in the Flip 6. While there might be software enhancements to improve image quality, there are no signs of major hardware upgrades. This suggests that Samsung might be prioritizing other aspects of the device or simply refining what's already there rather than introducing something completely new. Another point of interest is weight. While exact details aren't available yet, an increase in overall size could lead to a slightly heavier device. For users who prefer a lightweight and pocket-friendly phone, this could be a factor worth considering. A heavier phone could impact comfort during long usage sessions or when carrying it around throughout the day. With these relatively minor changes, the Flip 7 seems to be more of a refinement rather than a major upgrade. Samsung appears to be playing it safe, sticking to a design has already been well received instead of making bold changes. For those who already own the Flip 6, the improvements may not be enough to justify an upgrade. However, for users new to foldable devices, the Flip 7 still offers an appealing mix of style and functionality with its slightly larger displays and familiar design. So, does this feel like enough of an upgrade, or should Samsung have taken a bigger step forward? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech releases.